in Concord, New Hampshire. As I started to get this camera going, I've already gone down almost about 3 times. No! Is that? Jeez, put my glove on.
In Concord, New Hampshire. This is my first president grave in 2005. It's a wonderful spot. The cemetery was very icy though, and still is. His wife was born in 1806, and 2 of their children are buried here out of their 3. He outlived all the First Lady and his children. Only 2 are buried. 2 of his children are buried here though. And I think I have 19 more to go, and we hope to get some more soon.
Now, was Pierce the most respected president?
No.
And what was his major failing?
He and his and the president before him and after him both flunked in saving the Union and left it all to Abraham Lincoln, 2 presidents after Pierce.
As a matter of fact, when Pierce first died, they didn't put up a monument or anything to him for what, quite a few years.
1946, I believe.
So it shows you with what type of esteem he had here.
It wasn't very well respected. One of his houses are nearby. One of them burned down though. And that's it.
All right, let me just get a wide shot here.
Franklin Pierce, born November 23rd, 1804, died October 8th, 1869, 14th President of the United States from 1853 to 1857.
All right, let me pan around and see what the surrounding area looks like now.
I don't think anybody else famous is buried here.
So we figured we'd trek out here in February. It was a clear day. Kids have next week off on vacation, but slated to snow Monday. So I figured this would be the safest day to come out. Alright, let's get some still pictures.